Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss and high ping in XDefiant. First of all, you open up Ubisoft Connect, go to library, press on three dots here, then go to properties, then go to installation and look for open folder and copy your folder path here, right? And after you do so, you need to go back on search, right? Virus and threat protection. Then here, what you need to do here next is to go to virus and threat protection, manage settings, scroll down, exclusions, add a remove exclusion, add exclusion folder, and copy the path, right? Copy path here, and then hit enter and select folder, right? The folder should appear here. Next, what you need to do here, go to Windows Defender Firewall, then allow an app or feature to Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, and look for XDefiant. So if XDefiant is here, you need to select these two options. And if you can't find XDefiant, press allow another app, then on this window browse. Then here again, you need to put the same path and then add exe file, right? And add, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS and then nesh winsock reset, and you start your computer. Also, of course, if there is a possibility, always use an Ethernet cable, test our internet connection. Maybe if you're using Wi-Fi, restart your router or limit some devices. And then also you can go to settings, and then you need to open up network and internet. So open up network and internet here, go to advanced network settings and reset your network right here. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, and if you're using internet, you're good to go. And if it's not the case, maybe then open up task manager and then go to you need to go to performance. Where's that particular thing here that uses let me stop the video first. Yeah, so go to performance, go to three dots, resource monitor, and then here you will see all the network activity that your computer uses. So maybe you don't use, for example, when play the game Razor Synapse, and it uses, for example, a lot of network activity, your internet. You just need to end the tasks that you already know, and then look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what I suggested to do here is to make sure, go to settings, make sure Windows Update is fully updated, and also you can go to device manager and go to your internet adapters, so network adapters here, and you can update them one by one. And then after that, restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it.